Hi, so I wouldn't actually call this a deck of cards. It's just more like a card. And it was made to facilitate getting through the MCAT like passage, lactate dehydrogenase, and exhausted athletes. Okay, so that's what this card is based on. So lactate dehydrogenase converts pyruvate to L blank. What does lactate dehydrogenase convert pyruvate to? And before I go to the answer, I just want to make something clear because it's a point of confusion for a lot of people. So this L, it's not R and S configuration. You know, this is rectus, meaning right-handed or clockwise, and the S stands for sinister, meaning counterclockwise or left-handed. These always refer to a chirality center, which is a carbon attached to 4 different groups. And that's not what this L stands for. Okay? And then you have L and D, which is really going to make things confusing because this L could be confused for this L. And a lot of people kind of sort of think they're the same thing, but they're really not. This L stands for levorotary, and this D stands for, I think it's dextrorotatory. I don't know, Google it. Well, this lowercase l means that whatever the molecule is, it's rotating plane polarized light in a direction to the left. And then the D would be a molecule that went put under experimental conditions in the laboratory would rotate plane polarized light in the rightward direction. So that's not what this is. There's also a D as well, but this question is solely dealing with L. This L actually stands for whether something's made from naturally occurring glyceraldehyde. So glyceraldehyde that's naturally occurring is assigned the prefix D, and so it's an enantiomer, you know, like the right-handed well, I guess you can call this the left-handed version would be prefix L. So this is an enantiomer of the D version of whatever the molecule is going to be. So Google that concept, Khan Academy, whatever, look it up. You don't have to go that far if you can just digest what I told you. So let's get to the answer. That would be L-lactate. So this is L-lactate. And just to clarify the D and the L naming, D-lactate oh my god, I think I need a stylus. This is taking forever. So D-lactate would be the enantiomer to this thing, and the thing to notice is this line right here. So this is what makes this molecule D or L. So the D version would have the hydrogen on the left-hand side and the OH hydroxide or alcohol group on the left-hand side, okay? So, you know, if you were to pretend that this line is a mirror, this would be the D version, and glyceraldehyde has this orientation of, you know, hydrogen and oxygen. So that's D-lactate.